Understanding peaceful dive into tranquility. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore the word peaceful. What does it mean? How do we use it? Let's dive in and understand its essence. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding and can use it confidently in your conversations. Peaceful is an adjective that describes something or someone that is quiet, calm, and free from disturbance or violence. It can be used to describe places, moments, people, or even feelings. Example 1. The village was so peaceful at dawn. Example 2. She has a peaceful demeanor, always calm and collected. Knowing synonyms or words that have a similar meaning can enrich your vocabulary. Here are some synonyms for peaceful: tranquil, calm, placid, serene, restful. Each of these words has its own nuances, but they all revolve around the concept of calmness and lack of disturbance. 1. Physical surroundings, describing places or environments. 2. The peaceful meadows were a perfect spot for a picnic. 3. Emotional states, expressing a calm, non-agitated state of mind. 4. After meditating, he felt completely peaceful. 5. Situations or events, indicating the absence of conflict or violence. 6. The negotiations were peaceful, with both sides agreeing amicably. 7. People or animals, describing their nature or demeanor. 8. The old man had a peaceful presence, making everyone around him feel at ease. Peaceful protest, a demonstration where people express their grievances without resorting to violence. Peaceful coexistence, different groups living together harmoniously without conflict. Peaceful resolution, solving a problem or disagreement without fighting or hostility. And that wraps up our exploration of the word peaceful. Remember, it's more than just a word. It's a beautiful concept and a state of being that many strive for in life. We hope you found this video enlightening, and now you can use peaceful with confidence and understanding. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.